Welcome back to the channel. More stuff getting done to the 899 in this video. If you saw my last video, you know that we put on new bar grips and we put on the RNG bar sliders. So again, increasing the protection. We had the frame sliders already, and last video again, put on the bar sliders. So in this video, we're actually going to be doing more protection for the tank and the tail. Now what I got in from two different vendors, some carbon fiber tank sliders and some carbon fiber tail sliders. So the tail sliders are gonna protect the tail, tank sliders protect the tank. Now here's the different carbon fiber I got in. I really want to go with matte carbon fiber since that's OEM, Ducati carbon fiber, that look. I went with the twill weave because they didn't have the traditional weave. Now what you're gonna see here, this is called a satin finish. I don't even know if this light you can tell. It's not gloss, it's not matte, it's satin. I thought this was really cool. I didn't know that Strauss pretty much went out of business. Can you guys read that? Can you see Strauss right there? Strauss, they went out of business, but they made some really nice carbon fiber and I could only get the satin finish. So for the tank sliders, those don't come in satin. These are from Moto Composite. This is just gonna be a matte, and you can see, here's the matte. Here, you can really see the difference with the satin and the matte. So we're gonna test and see how well they fit. Put them on, use some silicone, same stuff that came with RNG, and show you guys how it looks after. If you guys have seen other videos on other, like the Mika Tech tank sliders, I saw one video on that, they didn't fit very well. This fits amazing. I don't need bungee cords or anything like that. This just sits right where it's supposed to. Now both sides of the tank are done. Added a little bit more tape, just wanted to make sure that it didn't lift in that one corner that's closest to the seat. And I had to add a little bit more tape to the right side of the bike as well. But once this dries, I'll take it off, apply the decals, and you guys can take a full look at it. But we're gonna finish up and we're going to do the tank sliders. First, of course, let's do a test fit. Let's see how this is gonna fit, where it's gonna go, exactly where we have to clean. These fit great too. This is nice, this is phenomenal. I actually love the way that looks on there with the rest of the bike. But now we know exactly where to clean. It is now over 48 hours later. It's actually like 6 days later. So this has been taped up, finally getting a chance to come back to the bike. Like I said in the video before this, it would take 48 hours for this to cure. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take off the painter's tape and hope that this is very secure. We're going to apply Ducati decals that I have for this, to make it as OEM as possible. Then I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at this so you guys can see the fitment up close. Taking a closer look, and I think these look phenomenal. These look great, definitely from a distance. Now you can tell the difference between the matte and the satin. The satin's still a little bit shinier than the matte, but that's what I've got. Now on the fitment on these, the fitment is
really, really good. You can see just how close that is. There's actually a small gap. You might not be able to see it just because the carbon fiber is obviously dark, but if you can look in there, there is a tiny gap. Here's the genuine decals ordered from Ducati. There's the final look. What do you guys think? So that's the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.